Join me as I dive into the tiny world of coins and try to uncover the most amazing details using this coin microscope. I've always been fascinated by the tiny details on coins, and I'm excited to share with you how this amazing tool can reveal a whole new world. This coin microscope is designed to help you see incredible details that the naked eye just can't. Examining coins closely can be a real challenge. Many of us have tried using traditional magnifying glasses, but they just don't cut it. The image is often blurry, and it's hard to get a good look at the details. And let's be honest, holding a magnifying glass steady can be pretty tricky. I've spent hours trying to get a good look at a coin, only to end up with a headache and a blurry mess. Traditional magnifying methods just have their limitations. They're often bulky, and it's hard to get a good angle on the coin. And even if you do manage to get a good look, it's hard to share that with others. You can't just hand around a magnifying glass and expect everyone to get a good look. I've also found that traditional magnifying glasses just don't have enough magnification power. You need to get really close to the coin to see any details, and even then, it's not that clear. It's frustrating, to say the least. We've all been there, struggling to get a good look at a coin, only to end up disappointed. But today, I'm excited to show you a solution that will change the way you examine coins forever. So, let's take a closer look at this coin microscope. It's incredibly easy to use. Just place the coin under the lens, and you'll be amazed at what you see. The microscope has a powerful magnification power, allowing you to see details that are otherwise invisible. I'm going to demonstrate it with a few coins to show you just how amazing it is. Let's start with a simple coin. As you can see, the details are crystal clear. You can see every edge, every line, and every feature. It's incredible. And it's not just limited to one type of coin. I've tried it with all sorts of coins, and it works amazingly well. I'm going to switch to a different coin now. This one has some intricate details, and I'm excited to show you just how clear they are. As you can see, every detail is sharp and clear. It's like looking at a completely different coin. The microscope is also really versatile. You can use it to examine all sorts of coins, from ancient coins to modern ones. And it's not just limited to coins, you can use it to examine other small objects too. I've been blown away by the level of detail this microscope can show. And I'm excited to share that with you. Let's take a look at something really special. I'm going to show you an incredible close-up of a rare coin. This is a coin that most people have never seen before, and I'm excited to share it with you. As you can see, the details are stunning. You can see every edge, every line, and every feature. It's truly breathtaking. This close-up is just one example of what you can do with this microscope. Imagine being able to see every detail on your favorite coins. It's a whole new world of coin collecting. Using a coin microscope like this can truly enhance your coin collecting experience. You'll be able to see details that you never knew existed, and it will give you a whole new appreciation for the craftsmanship that goes into creating coins. If you're interested in trying out this microscope for yourself, I highly recommend it. It's a game changer for coin collectors. So, what coins would you like to see under the microscope? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your suggestions and feature some of your favorite coins in future videos. And if you're interested in more exciting content like this, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Elikliv Coin Microscope, 4.3 inches digital microscope 1000x, coin magnifier with 8 adjustable LED lights, PC view compatible with Windows/Mac, EDM4B. Light source type LED. Model name EDM4B. Material metal, plastic. Color black. Product dimensions 8.5 x 3.3 inches wide by 6.9 inches high. Real angle of view 17 degrees. Magnification maximum 1000x. Item weight 8 ounces. Voltage 3.7 volts. Brand Elikliv. Black base for enhanced imaging. This microscope for adults features a black base which is specifically designed to minimize light reflection, significantly enhancing image clarity and providing you with sharper and more detailed observations. 4.3 inches 720p display. This coin scope delivers crisp real-time images and high-quality videos in well-lit conditions with 8 LED lights. The large screen is ergonomically designed to reduce eye and neck strain, offering a more comfortable viewing experience. Powerful magnification. Zoom in to see incredible details with magnification ranging from 50 times to 1000 times, allows to accurately authenticate and examine details of coins, stamps, and antiques, helping to ensure and enhance the value of your collection. Microscope to PC larger view. Connect this electronic microscope effortlessly to Windows or MacBook for viewing on a larger scale, and share live images with multiple viewers, also easily saving and organizing your images or videos for better analysis. Enhanced viewing with LED lighting. This handheld microscope features 8 adjustable LED lights that provide optimal illumination, ensuring clear and detailed observations even in low light conditions, and improving image quality for precise analysis. Also great for kids' STEM education, this mind-stimulating microscope sparks curiosity and interest in science by allowing kids to explore the microscopic world, and it enhances hands-on learning, making complex scientific concepts easier to understand. Height adjustable stand allows adjustment of camera to object distance for varying magnification needs, provides extra flexibility and comfort as you can easily find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus for clearer images. Built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This digital microscope ensures portability and extended operation, perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. Photo and video capabilities. Capture and store photos or videos for later viewing. Memory card is required based on your needs. Widely used, great Christmas gift, suitable for circuit board inspection, coins, jewelry, and stamps, watch, clock repair, skin detection, kids STEM education, textile industrial, QC inspection and more. The all-new EDM4B Coin Microscope features a black base, specifically designed to minimize light reflection. This innovative design significantly enhances image clarity, providing you with sharper and more detailed observations. Its user-friendly design is particularly suited for children's STEM learning, making it an excellent educational tool. No longer need to strain your eyes with a magnifying glass to see more coin details. This coin scope is the perfect solution, elevating your experience to the next level. The Elikliv Coin Microscope EDM4B is an innovative digital microscope designed to enhance your observational experience while examining coins, stamps, antiques, and various other small objects. With a generous 4.3-inch 720p display, this microscope delivers crisp, real-time images and high-quality video, thanks in part to its 8 adjustable LED lights which ensure optimal illumination in both bright and low light conditions. The microscope features a strong magnification range from 50x to a powerful 1000x, allowing users to zoom in and observe intricate details with remarkable clarity, crucial for accurately authenticating and evaluating your collections. Its unique black base minimizes light reflection, significantly improving image clarity and sharpness, while the height-adjustable stand adds flexibility, enabling users to find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus on their subjects. Moreover, the EDM4B can be easily connected to both Windows and Mac computers for larger viewings, facilitating the sharing of live images with multiple viewers, as well as the organization and analysis of captured photos and videos. With its built-in rechargeable battery providing up to 3 hours of continuous use, this portable microscope is perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. The device not only serves as a fantastic tool for hobbyists and collectors but also stands out as a valuable educational resource, sparking curiosity in young learners interested in science through hands-on exploration of the microscopic world. Whether utilized for circuit board inspection, jewelry examination, skin detection, or as an engaging gift for children during the holiday season, the Elikliv Coin Microscope EDM4B combines functionality with user-friendliness, making it a highly versatile addition to anyone's toolkit.